Top 4 supplements for kidney support after 50. After age 50, our kidneys need extra support to stay strong and healthy. Certain supplements can help protect kidney function, improve circulation, and support better sleep and energy. In today's video, we'll explore the top 4 supplements that naturally strengthen kidney health and overall wellness as you age. 1. Omega-3 fatty acids. Protect kidneys and reduce inflammation. As we age, our kidneys naturally experience wear and tear. Inflammation, high blood pressure, and poor blood circulation can accelerate this decline, especially after the age of 50. That's where omega-3 fatty acids come in, one of the most powerful supplements for long-term kidney protection. Omega-3s are healthy fats found in fish like salmon and sardines, and in supplements such as fish oil or algae oil. These fats help lower inflammation throughout the body, including in the kidneys. Chronic inflammation is a major reason why kidney function declines over time. Omega-3s act like a natural anti-inflammatory shield, helping your kidneys filter waste more efficiently. They also support heart and blood vessel health, which is essential for kidney function. When blood vessels stay flexible and strong, blood flows more smoothly through the kidneys, reducing stress on these vital organs. For many older adults, omega-3s also help improve cholesterol levels, reduce blood pressure, and support brain health, a bonus benefit for healthy aging. Research suggests omega-3s may slow the progression of chronic kidney disease and protect against kidney damage caused by diabetes or high blood pressure, two common concerns for people over 50. To choose the right supplement, look for one that contains EPA and DHA, the most beneficial forms of omega-3. The typical dose is 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams per day, but it's always best to consult your healthcare provider first, especially if you're taking blood-thinning medication. For better results, combine omega-3s with a kidney-friendly lifestyle. Stay hydrated, reduce salt intake, and eat more anti-inflammatory foods like leafy greens and berries. With consistent use, omega-3s can support your kidneys, heart, and mind, helping you stay active and healthy after 50. CoQ10 boosts kidney cell energy and blood flow after 50. As we age, our cells naturally produce less energy, including the cells inside our kidneys. This is where CoQ10, also known as coenzyme Q10, becomes extremely valuable. CoQ10 is a powerful antioxidant and energy-supporting nutrient that helps keep your kidneys strong, especially after the age of 50. Your kidneys need steady energy to filter toxins and maintain fluid balance. CoQ10 plays a key role in powering kidney cells and protecting them from oxidative stress, the kind of damage caused by aging, high blood pressure, diabetes, and inflammation. Over time, low CoQ10 levels can contribute to slower kidney function and fatigue. Another major benefit of CoQ10 is its ability to support heart health and circulation. The heart and kidneys are closely connected. When your heart pumps better, your kidneys receive better blood flow and oxygen. Many older adults take CoQ10 because it can help maintain healthy blood pressure, support vascular function, and improve overall energy levels. CoQ10 may also be helpful for individuals taking statin medications for cholesterol. Statins can lower natural CoQ10 levels in the body, which may lead to muscle weakness, fatigue, and lower kidney energy. Supplementing can help replenish those levels and support better cellular function. For best absorption, choose ubiquinol, the active form of CoQ10. Typical doses range from 100 to 200 milligrams per day, but always talk to your doctor if you're on blood thinners or heart medication. When used consistently, CoQ10 can help boost energy, protect kidney cells from aging, and support overall cardiovascular and kidney health, making it a smart choice for anyone over 50. Vitamin D, essential for kidney, bone, and immune strength after 50. Vitamin D is often called the sunshine vitamin, but it's much more than that, especially as we age. After 50, our body's natural ability to make vitamin D declines, and low levels become common. This deficiency can weaken bones, disrupt immune function, and silently impact kidney health. Your kidneys play a key role in activating vitamin D. When levels are low, The kidneys work harder to balance calcium, phosphorus, and bone minerals. Over time, this can lead to bone weakness, muscle cramps, and fatigue, symptoms many older adults mistake for normal aging. Vitamin D also supports healthy blood pressure, reduces inflammation, and improves insulin sensitivity, all important factors for protecting your kidneys. Low vitamin D levels have been linked to a higher risk of chronic kidney disease, urinary issues, and more frequent nighttime urination. For older adults, vitamin D strengthens the bones surrounding the lower back and pelvic area, which is helpful for bladder control and muscle support. It also boosts immune function, reducing the chances of infections, including urinary tract infections, UTIs, that can stress the kidneys. Since sunlight absorption decreases with age and many people spend more time indoors, supplements can help maintain healthy levels. The typical recommendation ranges from 1,000 to 2,000 IU daily, depending on your blood test results. Pairing vitamin D with vitamin K2 can improve calcium absorption and support bone and heart health. Before starting supplementation, it's important to get your vitamin D levels checked through a blood test, as extremely high levels can also stress the kidneys. When used wisely, vitamin D becomes a powerful tool for protecting kidney function, strengthening bones and supporting healthy aging, making it a must-consider supplement after 50. Magnesium supports muscles, sleep, and kidney balance after 50. Magnesium is one of the most important minerals for the body, yet many older adults don't get enough of it. After age 50, magnesium levels naturally decline due to reduced absorption and certain medications. This deficiency can affect sleep, muscle health, circulation, and kidney function, often without obvious symptoms at first. Magnesium plays a key role in muscle relaxation and nerve function. When levels are low, muscles become tense, including the bladder and pelvic muscles. This can lead to urinary urgency, nighttime bathroom trips, and muscle cramps. Magnesium helps relax these muscles, supporting smoother bladder control and better sleep quality. For kidney health, magnesium has another powerful benefit. It helps prevent calcium from clumping together, reducing the risk of kidney stones. It also supports proper electrolyte balance, which is essential for healthy kidney function and blood pressure control. Magnesium further assists in regulating blood sugar and insulin, which is especially valuable for older adults managing diabetes or prediabetes, both major risk factors for kidney decline. There are different forms of magnesium, and choosing the right one matters. Magnesium glycinate, best for sleep and relaxation. Magnesium citrate, supports digestion, may be too strong for some. Magnesium malate, helps with energy and muscle support. Most adults benefit from 200 to 400 milligrams daily, but people with kidney disease should only take magnesium supplements under medical guidance, since the kidneys are responsible for removing excess magnesium from the body. If you struggle with sleep, nighttime urination, muscle stiffness, or stress, magnesium may offer noticeable relief. When combined with hydration, gentle exercise, and a kidney-friendly diet, magnesium can support restful sleep, smoother bladder function, and stronger kidney health as you age. Supporting your kidneys after 50 starts with smart nutrition, hydration, and the right supplements. Always consult your doctor before starting omega-3, CoQ10, vitamin D, or magnesium, especially if you take medications or have existing kidney concerns. Your kidneys work hard every day. Give them the care they deserve. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe to Age Glow, and turn on the bell icon for more science-backed kidney and wellness tips. Stay healthy and take care of your kidneys.